Well, in our district itself, we pride ourselves in our mission, and everything that we do revolves around the mission of Mad River Local Schools, which is about providing educational experiences and diverse opportunities for our students.
The manufacturing program is an insight into the manufacturing field. We spend a lot of time working with manual mills, manual lathes, and especially as you get kind of further into the program, you start to work with CNC mills and lathes, and even a little bit of welding. As I start to look for jobs in colleges, the certifications that I've earned in this program will help me pay for that, along with look for employment post. The certifications that we earn in this class are a huge step forward in the manufacturing field. A lot of how they base your ability as a machinist is based off the certifications that you've earned.
It's a very hands-on program. You're not doing book work, literally any book work at all. Like, sure, you're gonna have your homework assignments to, learn everything you gotta know. But you're usually in the shop, working on bolts, milling stuff out, lathing stuff out. It's a very hands-on class. It's very interactive. You have a lot of freedom to it, and it's always something new, something creative, anything you can really make. That's what I always liked about it, of having the freedom of being able to work with my hands, be innovative, and finding ways to do things.
The CTC programs here at Stebbins are a great way to get the certifications that you want for your future career.